Hi guys. Sorry, I have been so busy recently. I have not been able to make much videos for you guys. But I thought I'd quickly jump on here today to just give you a quick update on what's coming up this week. Also, this Saturday that passed, we had a team building in Midrand. It was awesome. And I managed to give out two vouchers to two of my clients who ranked up to the Pulse rank, the first rank in PWI, Prestige Wealth Investments. So I managed to get two vouchers to give to them for their hard work and for achieving achieving something so big in prestige. Because remember, when you reach that pulse rank in prestige wealth investments, your earning potential is 50,000 a month. That's your earning potential for the month. So that is a big thing, guys. Not a lot of people can say they earn that amount of money just sitting at home. Okay, so I bought vouchers for my clients, but two of my clients who achieved those ranks. Okay, so but anyway, that's what we did over this weekend. That was the team building that we went through. It was wonderful. And then what's coming up is this week, Wednesday, is the CEO, the Zoom with the CEO, the founder of Prestige Wealth Investments. You guys know, if you're following me for a long time, if you've been watching all my videos, you know that every month, once a month, in the first week, first Wednesday of every month, our CEO, Mr. KM Monareng, he comes onto a Zoom meeting with like a community meeting, and where he gives us the ins and outs and everything that's going on currently with Prestige Wealth Investments, what's to come, and any challenges and everything. Basically he discusses on that night. So that's a Zoom that you just don't want to miss. And if you don't even know what PWI is, please scroll through my videos. I have so many videos on prestige wealth investments. Go through my videos, listen through them. You will see where I started. I started with only 6,000 rand. Today I have bought packages for well over 100,000 rands. I have withdrawn well over 200,000 rands from Prestige Wealth Investments. I continue to withdraw every day, every week, or whenever I feel like, because I have built a stable income for myself. I've come to a point where I don't even know what else to tell you guys, because I have grown so much within this company. I am very happy with Prestige Wealth Investments. Yeah, I've built myself a stable income now, so much so that now my bakery is busy expanding. We are busy expanding my bakery. There's a lot of work. That's why I'm unable to make a lot of videos for you guys anymore, but I am trying. And I withdraw a lot of the monies now, and I put it into my bakery. I buy equipment and buy whatever it is that I need to buy for the bakery in order for us to expand and build a business. But yeah, that's what it's been doing for me so far. I've done a lot of things. I have bought things for myself. My cupboards don't run dry anymore. I have put in lay-bys for my families, branded shoes, and whatever the case is that they need. I'm able finally to be able to do those things that I could never do before, guys. We could never do that before. We could never do it. So prestige wealth has changed our lives. And we just continue to grow and grow and grow and grow, and the company just grows, gets moves from strength to strength, as the days go, as the weeks go, as the months go. And there's still a lot more that's going to take place in the company. Remember, I told you guys about they have their own brokerage, their own trading, PW Markets. It's up and running. If you want that link to go ahead and trade, you can go ahead and trade. There's a Telegram group where the CEO even gives tips, and he even shows videos teaching you how to trade. Where have you seen this before? So you can get on there, you can trade, you can become an investor, you can do a lot of things, guys. But don't sit back and do nothing. Don't sit back and do nothing. Rather, do your due diligence on the company and then get in and invest, so that you can change your situation, get out of poverty, change your situation. Because when I think about myself, 1 year ago I could not even afford a loaf of bread. I could not afford to send my child to school. She was on homeschooling because I could not afford the school fees. Today she goes to a school. I spend close to 10,000 rands a month on her, and I pay transport and everything. Just a few weeks back, we went for a parents' meeting, and the teacher says to me that next year February I need to have 15,000 rands because it's the matric, the matric exams, and you need to pay for that exams to write that exams through Pathfinder. So imagine, where would I have gotten that 15,000 rands? Like where, guys? Because school fees is 6,000 rands a month. It means that in February next year, I need to have 21,000 rands to pay. And leaving alone in January, all the uniform, stationery, and all the things that we do in the January month. You know how the January month is. But guys, I can tell you, ever since I joined Prestige, ever since I built a stable income for myself, I just don't worry anymore. I don't stress about anything anymore. I don't even stress about all of those things anymore. I don't have negative bank balances anymore. So Prestige Wealth Investment has done a lot for me, a lot for my family, and we are going to continue to grow and prosper on this company. If you want to know, or you want more information about it, please send me a WhatsApp so that I can send you the information. You can go ahead, do your own due diligence on the company, and then you can come in and join. Also, please WhatsApp me also on Wednesday morning for the link to the CEO Zoom on Wednesday. It's at 7 o'clock in the evening, South African time. Okay. But yeah, let me leave you with this so far. I will try to give you more updates on my account, on what's actually going. It's difficult because my account, I've bought so many packages. The packages, they get finished within days. If I buy a $400 package today, within 2 to 3 days, that $400 package is finished. It's quite difficult for me to put up screenshots because you might get confused. You might think that, I mean, what is actually going on? If I put a screenshot showing you I bought a $400 package and then 3 days later I'm telling you it's finished, you're going to be confused. But the reason why it's getting finished is because I've built an income for myself, and all my ROIs, all my commissions, all my bonuses, everything pays out of my packages. So my packages, they get depleted. They get depleted very, very quickly. So I buy a lot of packages almost every week, every second week, every few days if I can, because I also withdraw a lot per week. So yeah, this is where I am, guys. It's really no joke where I was and where I am now, and I give all the glory goes to God. We are just grateful. We're grateful to God for this business, for Prestige Wealth Investments, for the CEO, for who he is, for he's such a humble person. He's a godly person. He's a trustworthy person. What he says is what he does. That's what he's been doing for us since last year. And Prestige just turned 1 year old over this weekend. We are now 1 year old. Remember, even the launch is still to take place. So yes, we are growing, guys, and if you want to be part of this, if you want to be part of this major this company that's growing and taking over the world, then please, you need to send me a message so that I can send you the information. You can go do your own due diligence on the company, and then you can come back and join.